Good morning slash good evening, ma'am, classmates. My name is Bal Collins L. Garcia, and I'll be the one who reporting this topic, strategic activities. Okay, let's start with the topic, the strategic refresh. So it is an activity that seeks to revisit the organizational charter statement to see if the vision, mission, philosophy, and core values and strategy map are still responsive to the times and to make necessary changes or improvements. Meaning ana guys, strategic refresh, kani siyang activity, gina-revisit nila, gina-survey nila ang mga mission vision, philosophy, and strategy maps sa katuang mga kapulisan. Ah, o ilahang Carter statement. Ang Carter statement day guys, muna siya ang muna sila ang mga effective or providing efficient and accessible service to the public, or ilang mga contribute silang pag-duty or trabaho nila sa katawhan. Ginatanaw na nila kung unsa ba, kung nabay usa ba ang kahimtang sa mga PNP nga na silahang duty na siya na-review na nila guys. Also, the conduct of strategy refers seek to attain the following objective. Mo lang mga objective during the operation nila. Interrogation of new or enhanced strategic initiative, programs, project, activities to address the most pressing challenges such as rise of information technology, cybercrime, the continuous incidence of illegal drugs and terrorism, and communist insurgency. Meaning, nag-interrogate na sila o gahimo sila og mga new strategy regarding this particular issue. And para makahimo sa strategy, para makatabang sa tawhan, para maging mayo. Para mas sila ma-counter or mabuhat during that may tabo na sila or para sa nila mabuhat. Next, interrogation of adjustment made to Philippine system processing procedures response to the dispute caused by global COVID-19 pandemic. So kung siya is about the pandemic na siya during gipakita niya ang mga adjustments nga gibuhat sa mga PNP nga to during that COVID-19. During those time kasi highly strict na sila implementing and enforcing the law that time. Strict sila implement na dapat mo labas, dapat nga na daw labas, dapat hindi magawa sa balay, if naaman nakpon sila. So sila nag-adjust sa during, nakatabang din sila during that time, assessing sa mga DSWD and nagkatabang mga pagkaon left good during that pandemic. Okay, continue. Interrogation of the chief PNP trusts as the overreaching theme of updated PNP Carter statement and scoreboard. So interrogate nila ang mga PNP regarding their Carter statement kung na legit ba ni or di ba ni binuang. Again, ang PNP Carter statement is about na siyang service nila and the effectiveness silang service sa community. Next is it is the primary role of and responsibility of the top leader o TWG to revisit the transformation plan of the PNP. They function as decision maker on what changes needed to make the following. Okay. Also, ang mga leader daw, ang primary role and responsibility nila is as a top leader, isa silang button is to revisit the transformation plan sa mga kapulisan. Kung also nag-serve sila sa function as a decision maker, and sila din nag-agree or nag-usab or dapat usabon sa mga strategy. Para ginabot nila para matanggal tong nila ang mga ineffective o mga ineffective inalistan to nila, also to mga effective is to maipa-enhance nila ma-enhance sila ang mga strategy nila na nabuhat. Okay. Among the following, mo ang sagana nga changes is the vision, mission, core values, and strategy map of the PNP. Muna, sila. Time to time, mo na ilisan dyan na, mausab yun ang mission and vision nila regarding sa panahon. I think, nga na siya, dapat transparent na sa mga review na sa leader, ma-improve na nila and ma-listan nila ang dapat listan. Also, the PNP scorecard measures and target initiatives. So, also, ang scorecard measures sa mga PNP dapat transparent, dapat makita nila limpyo ba sila, sakto ba na pagbuhat silang obligation, and during silang operation, kung sila pag-deal sa mga targets during the operation kung inhumane na ba kayo or follow yapon sa protocol. Okay, now, next is the strategy review. This is a process of evaluating and monitoring the unit, AFPs, D staff, NCU, NSU, and the PROs, and the performance and the process na attaining targets and scorecard. So, meaning ani is that proseso nila ang performance sa mga akong ipangbanggit, and doon sa nilang progress sa pag-attain silang targets, and about also their scorecard na monitor nila, gina-evaluate nila kung nagasakto ba ilang pag-apply sa strategy, and kung nabubay flaws nga na. Next is operation review. It is a process of evaluating and monitoring units, PPOs, CPOs, NCRPOs, district and numbered police station, force battalion, regional mobile force, company, and nation support lure units, performance and progress in attaining targets, and the dashboard. So, kanin siya nga review is all about operation, and gine-evaluate and monitor nila ang mga pambuhatan sa akong pang-mention kung ang performance ba ay sakto, ang progress pa ay pulido, wa pa'y hugaw, ang performance is na-apply ba nagtataw, nagapalo ba sa protocols and procedures, kung sa pag-attain sa target, kung yes, and dapat transparent sila na makita nila ang sentabo sa operation. Okay, continuing in operational review. It is a long-term focus evaluation of the unit, office, scorecard. This assures target and complements, and that seeks to answer the fundamental question. So, during the evaluation of the scorecard about silang contribution and accomplishment, mo ning ginapanguntana during the evaluation. Are we executing our strategy? Meaning sakto bang pag-execute sa strategy? And are we achieving our strategic objective na-achieve na tong goal atong objective na to during that operation? Are our measures responsive and effective of the performance? Sorry sa paglitok, hindi lang paglitok og R. Okay. Meaning ako ba siya? Kumusta bang performance? Unsa ma-reflect niya sa performance during the operation? Unsa ba? Next is are being attained or made? Or na-achieve ba or sakto na ba ang operation, ang strategy? Are our strategy initiative being effectively complemented? Effective ba siya? Ang strategy, like, initiatively effective ba siya? Next is, are we succeeding what we are? Okay, translate na ko. Kung masucceed daw, usa ba ang rason, usa bang key factors ngano na-succeed ang operation? What are the key factors what are the key strategy during the operation ngano succeed? Mo na common. I-state na siya unsa ang mga reasons ng mga if kung dili kani another opposite lang. If di daw ma-achieve di daw ma-achieve or di daw ma-succeed ang operation, so ba daw ang gaps and intervention o so ba daw ang kukulangan o sa ang muning sa kulangan o sa dapat buhaton o sa dapat wala na buhat anong na-fail ang strategy. kung ang meaning sa intervention unsa dapat buhaton or mabuhat ana para malikayan na siya nga result. And lastly, what is our way forward or what are the next steps? So yes, moto. Okay, in summary of the strategy review meetings, the strategy review meetings is where all members of the PNP and strategic partners come together to monitor the PNP office on their strategy implementation. Kung implement nila tarong or sakto ba implement nila o sa pagbunuan, ano po. So, PNP chief and the strategy planners evaluate sila mo-check Also, this strategy review generally focuses also ang mga strategy ng mga review is more focuses on issue about operational dun siya mga na-issue ang focus na niya. Then, pros or cons ng strategy or may particular significance na pwede ma-discuss during that meeting. Lastly, ang strategy issues, ang strategy daw, it takes a month or two para mag-yield na siya nasa measurable results. So, it takes 1 or 2 months para makita ang result sa strategy kung saan ko effective sila sa makita kung saan effective ang strategy during that period sa makita and ma-review nila and pamadungagan or mapapaayo pa ilang strategy in the future. And that would be all. Thank you. That would be all about my report, and thank you for listening. Please subscribe and click that follow button and hit the notification bell.
My name is Milgan Mangaron. My topic is strategy review meeting. Strategy review meeting involves strategy partners monitoring the implementation of strategies, typically focusing on strategic issue with operational issue discussed only when significant. This review avoids questioning the strategy's validity, instead focusing on execution, progress, risk identification, problem detection, corrective action, and responsibility assignment. Given the strategic issue require more a month or two to show results, quarterly strategy review meetings are deemed morally. Ang kanidang strategic review meeting naa sila strategy partner. Ang strategy meeting naa sila strategy partners nga ga-monitor sa implementation sa ilang strategy. Kini sila ga-focus sa strategic issue with operational issue. Nya ga-focus ni sila sa execution sa ilang progress, pag-identify sa mga problema o pagsulbad sa problema nga isa ka bulan or duha para makita ang resulta sa ilahang nahimo nga strategy. The specific purpose of quarterly strategy review are the following. Number 1, track the progress of strategy execution to determine the level of accomplishment in accordance with the long-term target of the office or unit. Muna siya ang track sa strategy or na-execute nilang strategy para ilahang ma-determine ug unsa nakataas ang ilang accomplishment. Number 2, test the validity of measures and initiatives if they are contributing to the attainment of the objects. Mao ni siya ang gatesa or ga-measure sa ilang nahimo or sa ilang gihimo kung naabay impact ni sa ilang plano or objectives. Number 3, evaluate the strategy implementation based on the following. Schedule milestone. Mao ni siya ang timely implementation of set programs, activities, and projects. Challenge and constraints. Mao ni siya ang kanang makadetekta or maka-encounter og problema during sa implementation nga kung nganong magka-problema og ginapangita nila og nganong magka-problema nya. Preventive. Mao ni siya ang kuan ga identify sa needs sa objectives nya, gina-correct og unsay mali nga cause ani. Identified key success factors that determine if the office unit is succeeding in attaining its objective and provide further improvement, and assign responsibility for achieving the target result. The discussion was focused on whether the execution is on track and in identifying the risk of successful strategy execution. Ang discussion daw kay ga-focus sa pag-execute sa ilang track para ma-identify nila ang maayo nga strategy para mahimo silang successful. Nya, detecting where the problem is occurring in the implementation. Ga-detect sila og problema based sa implementation. Nya, attempting to determine why the problems are occurring. Ga-attempt sila or ga-determine sa problem ay ga-attempt or ga-determine sila nganong nagka-problema. O nya, gina-provide nila corrective action para matama nila ang katong mali nga cause. Sheesh. And assigning responsibility for achieving the targeted result. Number 1. During the review, actionable items shall be presented prior to the strategy review proper. The chairman. Number 2. The chairman presents the color-coded strategy map. The objectives with all attained targets shall be in color green. Tanan daw nila nga target kay dapat naka color-coded nga color green. Nya, while the objective has unattained target shall be in color red. Pag dili daw nila target, dapat kuhanan daw nila color red. Nya, this provides the member of technical working group an overview of which objective is lagging, which may be the focus of the strategy review. Pag naa daw mga ingani nga gina-provide, tanan nga technical or strategy sa working group kay dili maglibog kay naa sila ginatan-aw nga objective ug unsa ang tama nga ginahimo nila or ilang himuon sa paghimo sa plan. It also provides quick information on whether the strategy implementation of the office or unit is failing or succeeding. Kani po daw ang ginahimo sa working group kay dali ra para og ila to masunod tong ilahang color coded kay dali ra pud sila maka-provide og quick nga information para mahibalaan nila og ang ilhabang strategy nga gihatag sa office or unit kay ma-fail ba daw or ma-succeed. Number 3, the measure owner shall discuss their quarterly accomplishment report with a focus on the data. Dapat ang owner aning discussion kay gahatag di siya report, quarterly accomplishment report nga ga-focus sa data or information nga gina-provide sa strategy review matrix. The presentation shall be guided by the strategy review matrix. The measure owner shall be present justification or analysis on all information being presented. Ang owner daw dapat mag-present siya og justification og analysis sa tanan nga information nga dapat ipresenta niya. A. If the target is unmet and problems, challenges have been identified, the measure owner shall discuss its analysis by presenting its problem 3 analysis or any tool or method used in determining the problem presented. Ang owner daw kay mag-discuss sa iyahang analysis by presenting its problem 3 analysis or any tool or method nga ga-determine sa problem nga ginapresenta nya. Identifying the root cause of the problem nang gina-identify nila og unsa ba ang root or ang ugat sa problema or challenge nga very critical so that an appropriate solution or intervention will be undertaken. Dapat kanang mahimo dayon nila ang solusyon. B. An action plan shall be presented for inputs analysis for its feasibility in or approval to the technical working group prior to the implementation. Ang anang action daw dapat kay ma-present dayon for inputs para makuhanan dayon approval sa technical working group or kanang gahimo sa implementation. Number 1. Any member of the technical working group and advisory group members may ask questions for clarification, may enable them to provide inputs, recommendation on the possible intervention that the unit can do to achieve its target. Kanang maayo ang mga TWG daw kay maayo daw sila og kanang clarification og unsa ba ang ilang maayo nga buhaton yun para makuha to nilang ilang target. Number 2, measure initiative. Owner shall be answer question and clarification by any of the attendees. They shall ensure that they are familiar with every issue and concern that may arise from the report they presented. Kanang dapat po daw ang kanang owner sa kanang plan nila kay dapat mo tubag po daw sa unsay mga pangutana sa mga attendees or ang TWG nga dapat makapamiliarize po sila nga makasure ang owner nga ang TWG makapamiliarize sa tanang issue or concern nga ilang buhaton. Number 3, secretarial shall document all matters being discussed including all actionable items and shall provide a report to the review committee on the proceeding. Ang secretarial daw kay dapat document niya ang tanan nga may tabo or ginadiscuss niya para
office or unit, scoreboard or dashboard. The first one is scoreboard. It is a tool that operationalizes a strategy map. Scoreboard consists of objectives, measures, target, and strategic. This tool is generally used at the strategic level of an organization such as national level, D staff, second level, P staff, pro, and in NCU that is also second. Thus, an example of scoreboard. Dashboard, on the other hand, is a performance monitoring tool used at the operational such as PPO, CPO, battalion, NSU, RO, and tactical SOC as CPS, MPS, police station, company, labels of the PNPs. Since dashboard is used in operational and tactical, so it is driven by activities which primarily focus on the actual delivery of police service. Therefore, remember that scoreboard is used in strategic levels. So more strategy lang siya, while dashboard is on the operational and tactical level is more on action na dyan siya. The following are the colors codes used in indicating status of target. Green, on schedule. Sakto na sa time na ma-meet ang target. Orange, lagging behind but not needing attention. Dili gamay pero possible gyapon maabot ang target sulod sa isa ka tuig. Sa tuig. Red, lagging behind and require attention. Dako kayong dili og lisod na kaayo maabot ang target sa sulod sa tuig. This time kailangan na jud ni og action. Sample of table. Mao na niya mga sample sa mga table kapalan sample of apayaw. Strategy review, operation review. Mao na sila mga sample na table sa pagkuan.
Alright, parts of the strategy and review matrix. So, sa una, we do have target for the quarter. So, sa target for the quarter, 3A ginapasabot is expected level of performance. Dre kay refers to the quarterly target set for the measures as indicated in the office. Unit scorecard, it represents the level of performance that the organization aims to achieve from a particular activity. So, 3A ginapasabot kay kani siya nga organization ga-aim siya to achieve a particular activity or to achieve the expected level of performance. Mo nang target for the quarter. Next is the accomplishment. Accomplishment, for short, the actual result of the quarter. It refers to the actual result for the measures as indicated in the office unit scorecard for a particular quarter. So, walay lisod-lisod. Ang accomplishment, for short, it is the actual result for the quarter of the organization. Next is the variance. Variance, it is refers to the difference between our target for the quarter and the actual performance. Ang variance, muna siyang difference between our target for the quarter and the other one is the actual performance. That is the variance itself, the difference between the two of them. Next is the key performance indicator. It is the metric to quantify performance. Pasabot is the nomenclature of measure that generally used as the operational and tactical levels. Ang goal mismo ane at the key performance is to quantify or to calculate the performance itself. The metric, muna siya, ang key performance. Next is the initiatives and activities. For short, it is the projects and the programs nga nag-support ani na goal. Our programs, projects, and activities that enable scorecard measures and targets to be met. Initiatives tend to be strategic, while at operational and tactical levels, they are broken down into specific activities, enabling the attainment of key performance indicators. Muna siya. Next is the strategic shift. Strategic shift, it is the directional change based on gap analysis. So for short, strategy, from the word strategy, it is means is sometimes called a paradigm shift, which is a shift in direction of any business or strategy of a nation from the past for the betterment of the future. Ang strategy itself, strategy of a nation, gikan sa past for the betterment of the future. That is the strategic shift. Next is natay. Strategic shifts are strategic from and to which ideally come from the gap analysis. So sa una, from less competent PNP personnel, karon highly competent PNP personnel na. So also we do have scorecards, objectives ideally come from the strategic shifts in the value chain. From gikan less competent personnel to highly competent personnel, and the objective is to develop responsive and highly professional police organization. Next, and lastly, objectives are accompanied by corresponding measures and initiatives. From gikan is less competent pa nga personnel to highly competent personnel, and objectives is to develop responsive and highly professional police organization. The measure is PNP Training Index, and the initiative is implementation of the PNP Master Plan or the MTAP. Kana lang sa akong report.
So, my topic is the continuation of the report of my groupmate. So, the parts of strategy and review metrics. Number 7, cross-match with OMTI. So, cross-match, matching with objective, measure, target, and initiative or OMTI is a way to counter-check the 4 essential components of the scorecard. Cross-match the result accomplishments for the period under the review by asking and answering the question. So, nasa yung mga example nga gihatag. First is the objective being achieved or not. So, it is still achievable. So, second one is the initiative still effective? So, does it need to be a change? So, replace, discontinue, continued, sustain, or enhance. So, number 8 is identification of gaps or key success factors. Gaps are synonymous with lapses, shortcomings, failings, deficiencies, and weaknesses. They are often identified in the performance or actual accomplishments. For a period or quarter did not meet set targets, negative variance, some areas in which gaps may be present include such as human resources, logistic resources, financial resources, implementation method, system, and processes. So last one is the intervention or next steps. So intervention are meant to address the identified gaps. They are the response or intended to solution to ensure that unmet targets for a particular period are rectified. So kanang intervention or step, next steps ay muna silang naghatag og solution or naga-response if ang kuan is dili nila ma-meet ang ilang goal or targets nga dapat nila kuwaon. And mauro to kong report.